The law of reversed effort is a concept that dictates that the more effort and importance we put on something, the less likely we are to achieve that thing. With too much focus on the outcome or the goal you want to achieve, you end up putting that outcome on a pedestal. Your subconscious part of the mind is the part of the mind that takes anything you feed it literally. So by focusing on what you want or desire will only reinforce to your subconscious mind that you currently lack that thing. So if you focus on wanting more money, this tells your subconscious mind that you currently lack money. Unfortunately, it is this lack mindset that brings about more lack. On the other hand, if you focus on the process of what you must do to achieve the goal, you will build a subconscious self-image of being the person that follows the process and therefore the person that already has achieved that goal or outcome. Although affirmations should be in the present tense for this reason, there is too much conscious friction for you to affirm something that clearly is not true. For example, constantly affirming, "I'm a millionaire, I'm a millionaire, I'm a millionaire," is no use because if you're not a millionaire, then your conscious mind won't let that sink into your subconscious and you'll never develop that subconscious belief. Instead, you must think about what a millionaire does and focus on that process rather than fixating on the monetary outcome. Rather than putting the goal on a pedestal, focus on the process and consistently confirm things in your life that are confluent with that goal. For example, let's say your goal is around getting more clients for your business. Every new website click, potential client call, or questions from potential clients are all steps in the right direction to getting more clients. Focus on these little wins and you'll condition your subconscious for abundance and growth rather than a fixed mindset of lack. The law of reversed effort is well explained through your desire and imagination. It is often too much focus on the desire that hinders your results. You're so focused on a future destination that you do not use your imagination to visualize the process of getting there. You may have a desire of something that is missing from your life, but you struggle to believe in your imagination that you can have it. Wanting and believing you can have are two very different things. Both your desires and your imagination have to be in sync for the law of reversed effort to work for you. You can work hard and keep trying to reach your desire, but if you can't imagine yourself achieving that thing, or don't believe you can, then it probably won't work out for you. Your desires and imagination can work to the negative side too. In his book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy gave the example of walking along a plank of wood that's resting on the ground. This would be easy to the vast majority of people because there is no consequence to losing your balance on the plank. So your desire to walk along the plank and your imagination believing you can and visualizing the process of walking the plank are in unison, so the task is completed with ease. Now let's say the plank of wood is raised between two walls 20 feet in the air. Now there is an element of consequence to the task, and although your desire to walk along the plank remains, now however your imagination is visualizing yourself falling off the plank and injuring yourself. This is where you may come unstuck because the desire to do something is in the conscious part of the mind, but the imagination and visualization builds that belief and self-image that rests in your subconscious, which runs 95% of what you do and think. Let's look at another example. So you have an exam to sit, so you revise the information, you put many hours in and you do several practice questions. You feel like you know everything you need to know and that you'll ace that exam. But when the pressure sets in and you're in that exam hall looking at your blank answer sheet, your mind goes completely blank. The harder you try to find the information you need, the further away that information seems to go. Frustrated by this, you leave the exam hall and not 5 minutes later the answers to the test questions come flooding back into your mind. So why is this? Well, it's the pressure put on the situation that increases levels of anxiety and stress. Here it is your conscious mind that gets in the way by trying too hard to find the information you need. There is an intense conscious level of importance on the task of remembering the information you need. The consequences are high because you need to pass this exam, but that high importance gets in the way of your subconscious mind presenting everything you need to ace the exam. Relaxation and removing the importance of the outcome is how we can allow our subconscious to come to the forefront and therefore allow ourselves to drop into a flow state where some of our best work and results are produced. The law of reversed effort can also be seen in relationships. This could be in a dating relationship scenario or a business scenario. So, if you come across to a potential client, for example, as needy, they are less likely to do business with you. You are needy because you are putting too much importance on the relationship. You may be thinking that you need this client to pay your mortgage, or you need this client to keep up with your competition. Basically, you are trying too hard. You are offering reduced prices, making your services look less premium. You are bending over backwards to meet clients' needs, which reduces their respect for you. You think all this extra effort is helping to get clients, but the opposite is actually true. If you come into this relationship with a relaxed state where you aren't bothered either way whether the potential client does business with you or not, in this state you are more able to pitch the value of your services in a confident, premium and non-needy way. Your subconscious and imagination are working for you, where you believe you can get clients easily. You believe in the value of your services you offer, and this comes across in the quality of your interaction to potential clients. Using the law of reversed effort really can help you achieve better results, although it may be counterintuitive. Less really is more with this concept, but this does not mean you do not have to work hard or have discipline to achieve worthwhile goals. But by working smarter, reducing importance on the outcome, and learning to enjoy and focus on the process will allow your subconscious to work for you and make the journey far more enjoyable with less chance of burnout. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to Subconscious Theory for more content.